Hello, I'm Giselle. Now we are going to show you how to polish the handles and utensils with the vibration polish. Now we are testing the lunchbox. This is after 40 minutes polishing. This is before polish. This is 4mm aluminum ball. It is the polishing consumable. This is the steel ball, also the polishing consumables. Here is the die casting handles after vibration polish. For the different types of handles. This is the wire handle after vibratory finishing. And also can polish the cutlery. After vibratory polishing. And here is the cutter in the mixing jar. This is also after vibratory polish. Here are the and handles, and here is the knife. And also we can polish the die casting handle. So if you consider how to make your cookware handles with the mirror finish, then you can send us your drawing. In the samples, we can test and make the solutions for you. Actually, vibratory polish is very better than manual polish. Manual polish use many polishing steps and workers. And vibratory polish is very easy and saves your labor cost and with higher production capacity. This is the die casting handle. And also we have the can also make the stamp handle. By vibratory polishing. Before polish and after polish. Here is our polishing consumables. It is the stone to make the rough polishing. And also have the steel ball to make the mirror finish. This is the aluminum ball. Different size of the different diameter can make different polishing effect. And these very cute polishing consumables is mainly used for the aluminum products. Also have different sizes. Now let's check our workshop. Here is the polishing agent. Each barrel have 50 kilograms. Outside, our engineer is unloading the consumables. And let's check here. Here is the stone, the polishing consumables. We just check in our room. Now here is our in stock vibratory polishing machine. And also some people will call this stone polishing machine. This green one is 600 liters. And these 3 sets also 600 liters. It is very tall and big. Let's check inside. They are ready for shipment. And this one is 300 liters. All the vibration polishing the delivery time is 30 days. 30 days. So if you consider to polish your handles by vibratory finish, then you can contact Giselle and contact Sunglory for your solution. You can send us your product samples to test. Then we can test and find out the solution for you. It's very colorful, right? Actually, the vibratory finishing machine is very popular used this year to instead of the manual polishing, because of it can save your labor cost and save your polishing cost, and also can make higher production capacity. Here is our latest vibratory polishing machine. It has 3 barrels to polish inside. It's like a car, the shape. And now we are going to test our lunchbox. We will test these samples later. It is from our customers. And we use the aluminum board. And also some products can also use the stainless steel board to polish it. Okay, I'm Giselle, and if you consider to make your cookware handles and your utensils, then you can contact me. If you consider to make your handles and your utensils by vibratory finishing, then you can contact Giselle and contact Sunglory. We can help you to work out the exact solution for you. Okay, I'm Giselle, and see you next time. Bye bye.
可以了，可以了，就这样吗？可以了啊，我把它记了。
Now we are running our machine to test the samples. Here is the polishing